I just found a brand new AI tool that will literally do your work for you while you're sleeping. And you could use it to send you a full daily Telegram brief every morning before you wake up, triage 20 emails in 15 seconds with draft replies that are ready to send, run a competitor scan every Monday on autopilot and get a brief based on it, and so much more. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what this new tool is, how you could get it set up in less than 2 minutes, and the exact automations that I'm running that are saving me more than 11 hours of work every single week that I used to have to do manually. Now, that new AI tool that I'm talking about is going to be myclaw, because myclaw is going to allow you to set up OpenClaw and allow you to run it 24/7, and this is pretty incredible. Because when you use myclaw, you are instantly going to get access to the myclaw skills hub right here. And we could see that there are tons of different skills around productivity and tasks. You could see which ones are already installed. You could see that they have them for several different use cases. For example, browser automation, communication, data analytics, design, media, productivity and tasks, AI and LLM, security and passwords, and so much more. In addition to that, they have a bunch of different featured skills right here, and they have a bunch of different essential skills. And like I said, these all come and you literally just install them by clicking a button right here. Boom, it's going to go ahead and install it into your instance. On top of that, we could see that this comes with a bunch of different integrations right here. So you could integrate this with all of your different things like Notion, Slack, GitHub, Figma, and more. We come over to channels right here. We could see that we could very easily set this up so that we can control our 24/7 AI assistant from either WhatsApp or from Telegram simply by setting this up. On top of that, when you actually run myclaw, it's going to run 24/7 in the cloud, so you don't have to keep anything open or anything set up. In addition to that, you're also going to get access to skills inside of OpenClaw right here, and we could see that this comes with a bunch of different skills that are already built in and already loaded up here. In addition to that, if we actually come over to cron jobs right here, we could see that we could set up tasks that will recur at whatever interval and whatever cadence we want 24/7. And then finally, if you come under AI and agents right here, you are going to be able to see that this actually has memory. So you could have memory turned on. You could add memory to this. So basically, this is going to remember who you are, your style, the things you want to get done, and it's going to continue to get smarter every single time that you use it. And the best part about myclaw is that one subscription is going to cover your entire team. It's not going to be something like where you have to buy a bunch of seats. Now, before I show you some of those crazy use cases, I wanted to show you how stupid easy it is to actually set this up, because this part is what kills most AI tools for people, but you're not going to have this problem with myclaw because it is so easy to set up and use. Now, getting this set up is literally as simple as you coming over to myclaw.ai, clicking on Run OpenClaw Now, creating an account, choosing which plan you want, and then you're going to be able to come over here and customize everything that you want. For example, if we come under models right here, you'll be able to see that you could actually come in here and choose whatever model that you want. For example, you could choose from a specified provider right here, like Anthropic, Gemini, OpenAI, Minimax. You could choose between all of their different models. You could choose a backup model, and if you wanted to, you could actually bring your own key in here to use your own models. In addition to that, like I was saying earlier, we have all of these different skills. So you just describe exactly what you want to do, the things you want to get done, and boom, you're able to instantly download those skills and upgrade your agent. There's no prompt engineering, no marketplace, no configuration. You're literally able to just install this, the skills you want, the models you want. You could get set up with Telegram or WhatsApp literally by just scanning a QR code, and you're ready to go. You have your 24/7 AI assistant. Okay, now let me show you the use cases that made me go all in on this thing. Now, the first use case I wanted to show you is actually something that I get every single morning, and that is going to be a daily brief. And I'm not talking about a daily brief that goes through email, goes through a calendar, because there's so many other tools that could do stuff like that. I'm talking about a daily brief that gives me deep research every morning about the things that I actually care about. For example, I want you to set up a cron job to run a daily brief every morning at 9 a.m. Eastern. I need to be updated on the following. 1, any AI news from Gemini, ChatGPT, or Claude from the last 24 hours. 2, any type of stock market movement I'm invested in, and then I go through the different things I'm invested in. And then the third thing I want to know are what topics are trending right now in the how to grow on YouTube, how to grow on TikTok, and how to grow on Instagram niches on social media. Now, we simply just say this to this. This is going to go, and this is actually going to run through the brief, and it's going to set up the cron job for us so that this is going to happen every single morning. And guess what? You could get this to do this for whatever you are interested in, whatever your daily brief is, and the thing that you wish you knew about every morning. morning, I would suggest that you customize this so that you get this for yourself every single day. In fact, if you wanted to and you were in a niche that really required it, you could get this every hour. And what's awesome is if you have this hooked up to your WhatsApp, you have this hooked up to Discord, to Slack, to Telegram, you could actually tell it to message you on there so that you don't actually have to log in here and see what it's sending you on here. It could send it to you directly on your phone, which is probably what you're checking first thing in the morning if you're anything like me. So now we could see that just like that, this cron job got created right here. We could see that this is going to run every single morning. It's going to cover all of these different things and it's going to be delivered right here on the web chat. Again, if I wanted to change that, I could get it to change it. I could have it delivered to my email, to Slack, to Discord, pretty much anywhere that I want. What I'm actually going to ask this to do is run a dry run right now so that I can make sure that I like the output so we could change anything or modify anything before it starts doing this on a scheduled basis. And that if we ever wanted to pause it doing this, we would simply just come over here into cron jobs and we'll be able to see exactly what this is right here. We could edit it, we could clone it, we could disable it, we could run it if it's due, we could see the history, we could remove it. And this is where you're going to control all of your automations. And now we could see exactly what this actually looks like. We could see the different Gemini news from the last 24 hours right here, the different ChatGPT news from the last 24 hours, and the newest Claude news from the last 24 hours. In addition to that, we have all of these different updates right here from the markets as of 10:35 Eastern time right here, which is pretty incredible. And then if we come down here, we could see social growth and we could see all the different things that are trending right now for these different platforms. So now guess what? This goes through and actually asks us some questions in order to be able to improve this brief for tomorrow. But I don't want to stop there. I also want this to be set up so that it can triage my email. So what I'm going to do is simply say to this, let's connect to my Gmail so that I can have you help me triage my email in draft reply /flag important emails. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get this connected right here by simply just asking this to connect to our email. It'll walk us through everything that we need to do after that. And then we're going to get a cron job set up in order to actually do this every day again, so that not only is this helping me with my news brief, it's also helping me with my email. Okay, so now this walks through exactly how we actually have to go through and be able to connect this to our email right here, and then we're going to be ready to go. And then once I actually got this set up, I simply just gave this a prompt that said, I want you to triage my email. I want you to go through and let me know what new emails I've gotten since 9 a.m. yesterday. I want you to flag anything to me that is super important. I want you to draft replies to things that you feel comfortable drafting a reply to, and let me know which of those is done, and then help me be able to actually go through my email. Now you can see right here that we have an inbox triage for Thursday, May 28th at 10:48 Eastern. Scan through 47 new emails since yesterday at 9 a.m. We have a priority breakdown. We have 4 important, 6 that need replies, 12 FYIs, and then 25 of them were just noise. So it actually went through and auto archived them. And again, in the past, I used to have to pay an assistant to be able to do this for me, but now I don't because AI can handle this. So we could see important. We have these 4 different important emails right here about my AWS billing, about Stripe, about somebody from Capital that needs something to actually reply to it, and my attorney right here. In addition to that, we have a bunch of different replies that have been drafted right here around refunds, around getting back to people, which is pretty awesome. Then we also have FYIs right here, which might be things that I'm going to be interested in. Like on GitHub, I have 2 PRs waiting my review. On Calendly, I have 3 new meetings that were booked. On LinkedIn, I had somebody try to get in touch with me. Personally, I'm going to ignore that and I'm going to update this and say, hey, I don't actually want to know that. And then it alerted me of some newsletters that I got. And then this actually goes through a bunch of different things right here that are auto archived, goes through my suggested next moves right here. And then it actually asks me a question so that this can then give me better results the next time. Now, the next use case I wanted to show you here is how we could get this to be able to process a ton of information. So what I'm actually going to do is if we come over into my Finder right here, we could see that I have a brief and instructions for a video that I'm going to be doing right here. This literally goes through the entire brief, all of the instructions. We could see that this is 31 pages right here. And I personally, probably because of AI, don't have the patience to actually be able to go through this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this over here. I'm going to say I am attaching a content brief for a video I want to create. Please let me know what I need to do, the next steps, things I should be aware of, and how you can help me complete this. And now what this is going to do is this is actually going to go through and this is going to analyze this right here. And this is going to be able to help me know what I need to do next, what things I should be aware of inside of this brief, how it can help me actually complete this brief. And guess what? It's going to be able to do all of this in less than 60 seconds. It probably would have taken me all day to go through these 31 pages again, because I have AI brain now and I just don't have the focus or the capability to be able to do that. But I don't have to anymore, because very easily this has access to everything that's on my computer and I could ask it whatever I want. We could see if this has now actually gone through. This has read the brief right here, tells us what the brief is actually about, goes through different things that we should actually be aware of right here, goes through next steps that we should actually do in terms of confirming the deal terms, picking angle, setting up access. Then this goes through all the different things that this can actually do in order to help, in order to move this forward. And this just makes my life way easier, because again, it went through this, gave me the breakdown, gave me the next steps in less than 60 seconds. Now, the last thing I want to get this to do is I want to set up another cron job that's going to run every day that's actually going to track my competitors. So here's the prompt that I'm going to use. So I'm going to say this: I want to be able to track my competitors' YouTube channels to understand what is working for them. Their channels are Marcus Jones, vidIQ, Think Media. Can you give me a brief on what's worked best for them in the last 30 days, analyze their content to help me create my next 7 days of videos? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to run this first. We're going to do this a little bit differently than what we did before. I'm going to run this first, and then I'm going to get a good response from it, and then I'm going to say, hey, can we turn this into a cron job so that this runs every week or at whatever cadence I want. I'll probably set up another one also in order to actually check my YouTube channel so it could tell me what I've done differently. And then I may even have a third that takes the results from this cron job, the results from the other one that actually watches my channel, and then it actually goes through and gives me the difference between the two. So I'm going to say, perfect, that's it. And now this is actually going to go through and this is going to give me a sense. So I'm going to click on steer right here. Basically what this does is goes through and actually tells the agent, hey, yes, this was it. And then this is going to actually spit this out for me. Oh, and another thing I wanted to call out here that's pretty cool is this actually turns on sub agents. So basically it's going to research all 3 channels in parallel, which allows this to get done a lot quicker. Other AI systems or other AI tools or agents that you might use, if you're having it do 3 things, it might do step 1, then step 2, then step 3. Takes way longer, doesn't give you as good a results. But what this actually does is this spins up all 3 agents so that they're happening in parallel, doing all these tasks in parallel, so it gets results much quicker. And now just like this built out this incredible plan for me right here. So we have the 30-day picture right here. It says vidIQ is the threat, Think Media is cure first, Marcus Jones is dormant. So this goes through what all 3 are riding. So AI on YouTube, algorithm changes, long form 10 to 14 minutes in 2026. This goes through the structural moat. It goes through everything that I should actually create and quick tactical rules baked in. And then this actually goes through and this can actually create this into full scripts, into thumbnail mockups, can create a tracker, and this is going to allow me to grow way faster on YouTube. So what are you waiting for? Go to the link in the description and get started with myclaw today, because once you start automating your work with this tool, you're never going to look back.